Hey guys, welcome back. It's Greg. We're going to work on a backpack blower. I guess about a week ago I put a carburetor on it. Runs great. Now, I believe it's always had a gas leak. I don't think the gas tank's cracked. Could be, I guess. But I think it might be that rubber stopper on top of it. I may have messed that up when I was pulling out the carburetor. But anyway, this is what we're working on today. And I hope we can get her to where she's
You guys are getting seasick.
working again. So anyway, I'm gonna find a place to sit you guys down. This is what we're gonna try and do. You guys over here, maybe I'll put you right there. Maybe that's a better view. I don't know. Is it? Maybe it is. Maybe it ain't. All right. First thing I want to do, I've already emptied the gas out of it. So let's see what we can break. We'll go ahead and get this stuff off. All right. Well, first thing I see is we're missing a line. Interesting. Very interesting it is. We are missing a line. You can see right there. It might be our gas leak. It might be. So anyway, it appears it's only two screws to get the gas tank off. So I may just go ahead and take that off. Could very well be what the problem is. Could be or could not be, I don't know. But you know what, we're right here. Let's take a peeky at it. Since the gas tank actually is easy to get off. I do have some line for it we could put on her. I'll tell you what. Whew! That stuff is on there. I almost want to go ahead and I probably gotta take that fuel line off too. Which means, you know it, I gotta take the carburetor back off. Now, let's set that there. Let's flip this up. Let's see if I get this fixed here. It's just an Amazon carburetor. Some people say it's not a good idea to do those, and I had pretty good luck with them. They're by far not the best, but you know what? It works, and that's what I'm after. It's for it to work. And I've got fuel line. I've got to find it. Guess I don't have it here with me. The kit that came, carburetor came with all new line. Get rid of that. And all right, tell you what. Why don't you guys? I'm back now. Maybe I'll put you over here. So you can see my crazy face. You guys see me all right? Okay, I got a couple different size fuel lines. big one's too small, it looks like. That's perfect. Oh, wait. Ooh, here's a bigger one. Oh, look at that. I got it right here. Well, it feels bigger, but is it bigger? Oh, yeah, we'll make her work. We shall make it work. Ta-da! I know, I'm a goofball. That's alright. If that's all people can call me as a goofball, I'm doing pretty good, I believe. Alright, let's take a look at this. Now, I've never messed with a fuel tank before, to be quite honest, as far as getting this deep into one. I guess in saying that, it almost looks like I could just pop that up. I've never done this. Bear with me. We're going to break this together. I'm telling you right now, we will. I got a feeling that I don't know what I'm doing. I got a feeling there's a good chance I'm going to break this for you guys. Nope, not for you guys. Just because that's the way I roll. So, what we're looking at here is this rig here goes into the tank. This is a, I guess a vent for the tank. And if you look in there, I don't know if you can see the, the pickup tube or line or whatever you want to call it. Hey, whoop, there we go. Okay, got no ring, okay. That in there like that. You know, I can't really tell for sure, but I mean, it all looks good. I mean, the ring looks good. I wonder. See, this is the return line when you pump it up. I have a funny feeling that line was off when I looked, got it apart. I have a funny feeling that line was just too short and pulled off. Wasn't running at the time, obviously. And it started leaking like a sieve, which would make sense. So, okay, let's put this back in and hope it doesn't leak. I'm guessing you just press it in. Oh. There we go. Oh, see, that's perfect. That's the way it always happens, you know. Every time I've hit one of these apart, which is never. This seems a little... Is that out? Huh. Alright, guy. I'll get you out. Pshoo! See, it's up. Is it broke? That's my question. I gotta ask myself, is that broke? I'm kind of thinking that was broke. How that would break? I mean, there's, making a good mess of myself here. Honestly, I think that rig there is broke. That is the vent. Tell you what I'm going to do. We're going to get back with this and we're going to take a look at it. I'm going to get some parts ordered. I think this is okay. We're going to put a new fuel line on it. I think it's harder than woodpecker lips. We're going to put some of this new line on it. And we'll get her on. And just watching my dogs. Got one that likes to run off. The visible fence is not working right now. So if you have invisible fence in the brakes, you know how it works. They figure it out after time, and they're gone. And that's I got one that keeps doing that. I only see two up there in the yard or the driveway. So hopefully he hasn't visiting the neighbors again. But anyway, I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and order one of these. Otherwise, it's just going to keep leaking. No reason to take it apart, put it back together with a broken part. So anyway, when I get the part, I'll be back. Okay guys, welcome back. We got our part in we need. It's been a couple days, so we're going to go ahead and got some new fuel line. We'll go ahead and put that on, get that new tank vent in, and she should be ready to go. There's the top half, that was broke. Now we just gotta get the bottom part, which may be a little more difficult. Well, we'll just tear it all apart. I see a spring in there. Come on, you know you want to come out of there. It's in there pretty good. It goes down there pretty far. Doesn't look like there's any. Oh, what's that? Oh, that pops the top off, which we already did. There it goes. All right. So let's push that back in. I'm guessing that's in. If it is, it's not very far, not compared to the other one. I don't really want to beat on it, but I guess you kind of have to. but you know what? Might as well try to make it right. I'm going to try and get this. I tell you what, I don't know how these guys in the factory do this. Well, I guess it's just like that. So, anyhow, see, that doesn't seem, something is not really right here. There we go. We got it good and broke now. Swing that way. That should be good. Put this back on. Make sure you hit it hard and break it. You come out of there, you get like that. Alright. That is our replacing our fuel. Put some new fuel lines on it, which it needed. Got the new tank vent on there. The other one was broke. That's where our leak was coming from. I first thought it was this tank. It was up in there, and it makes sense. The fuel was leaking out. And the only time it'd leak is when you fill her all the way up. You guys come on over here. The only time it would really leak is when you filled it all the way up. Then it would leak down so far, then it would quit leaking. But, you know, might as well get things replaced, get it working right. That way we got it, and it's good to go, and I don't have to worry about blowing anybody up or myself. It doesn't leak in the back of the truck. I keep the blowers in the truck because I have a cap on it. Keeps them out of the weather a little bit, and it's less for me to fool with when it comes time to get things out. Anyway, saying that, you guys have a great day. We'll see you later.